Hi everybody, this is YouTube user TJElevatorfan here, and I would just like to take this moment to say a big thank you to Kristen Billerman, the general manager at the Hampton Inn in Gastonia, North Carolina, for letting me come down and see the renovations that y'all did and for showing me around to your different room types, and especially a big thank you for all the Hampton and Hilton goodies that you gave me down there, including the commemorative 100th year Hilton anniversary hat and thermos and all the other goodies that you gave me. So again, thank you so much for a wonderful visit, and I hope you and everybody else enjoy this video.
And this was our old fitness center. So this is a brand new room.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you actually moved your fitness
And
center.
added an entire new room.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
the back wall like that with the chest and the
Yeah, that is nice.
faucet. Yeah.
Well, the old fitness center was small.
Yeah, and that's actually kind of interesting too, because I've actually you know, some of the older hotels that have, you know, there's some older hotels that didn't have fitness centers, and then you see where they put in a new fitness center and they convert it from one of the old rooms. But that's kind of interesting, taking a fitness center and turning it into a room.
So when did y'all finish the renovations?
Last July, June,
Oh,
last
okay.
June.
Okay.
Let's see, so the refrigerator is a micro fridge. And look at that, this one actually does have a freezer compartment.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
I
that
get away
is.
from that in a lot of them.
Yeah, because a lot of the hotels we stay at, they have the microwaves and fridges, but the fridges don't have freezers.
Well, how are you going to keep your ice cream?
Exactly, that's what we say. So that's actually nice that y'all still have the freezers.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then the microwave is also a micro fridge, and then LG flat screen TV, and then it's got one of these desk areas here. Let's see. So that switch does nothing.
Okay.
This switch turns on these lights.
Alrighty.
The other switch turns on the overhead light if you'd like a night light in the evening.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, it
Oh,
turns
yeah,
on the little
neat.
backlight.
Okay,
So
yeah.
it does
just-
do something. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I didn't see that up
That's
there.
a nice feature.
So this is 102 down on the end. The bathroom is kind of at that angle.
Yeah, I like those little corner bathrooms though, to tell you the truth.
So this room has the two queen beds. Right. These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn in Gastonia, North Carolina. Got this one.
Yeah.
Out. And got the Hampton labels in here.
No, not even selfie dog.
When's the last time we did these?
I checked my YouTube channel. It was in 2011.
Okay. Ooh, look at the nice carpet.
Yeah, it is nice carpet.
They've renovated that, haven't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why they invited us to come.
yeah. That's why I was here, to see the renovations.
I think they just recently got done with them too, haven't they, TJ?
Yeah, I think so, and that's probably why they don't have the things in the elevator, because they probably hadn't got around to putting the new ones up yet.
Okay, we're gonna ride there.
The other one, yeah.
Alrighty. Get a cabinet.
Yeah, they have redone the cabs a little bit on that one, but the fixtures are still the same.
Alrighty. And what are these Dovers?
So the fixtures are Schindler RT, but I think, according to Nick, who's now QComp MTDX, that's also done these. These were installed in 1989, which actually makes them Westinghouse.
Oh, Westinghouse, okay.
But the fixtures are actually Schindler RT.
Okay. I was way off then, wasn't I?
Yeah.
Of course, I'm not the elevator expert. You're supposed to be the elevator expert,
Yeah.
right? I'm just along for the ride.
Yeah, these actually have the same type of fixtures as they have in the as the elevator that we rode with Nick in the Advanced Technology Center at Central Piedmont Community College. And that is a little bit different tone. That's sort of like the normal Schindler tone, but it's a low-pitched Schindler tone.
Okay. Okay, you want to get outside
Yeah.
since they're wanting it. Hey, how y'all doing?